wife of Dr. Kiza Besigye, a former National Resistance Army member, and also a very long-time opposition figure who has been arrested, what many media are now calling abduction, and facing trials, has dismissed allegations that she is contesting to become the president in 2026. A poster which was posted by Rukunyiri's finest suggested that the wife to Kiza Besigye, that is Winnie Byanyima, is contesting under a party known as PFF. We still don't know the abbreviation in full, but it is indicating clearly as for president. And the logo or the sign of that party, PPF, is a phone. She shared that one and said it is fake, ignore it. So maybe some people are interested that she contest as the president, or some other people are just making contents out of nothing. Well, the prosecution seeks to amend charges in Dr. Kiza Besigye's case. In a dramatic turn of events, the prosecution in the case against Dr. Kiza Besigye has filed an application to amend the charges by introducing an additional count of treachery. Furthermore, the prosecution seeks to include Dennis Hora, a serving army officer attached to the armory, as a co-accused in the case. This development has sparked strong objections from the defense team, who argue that the prosecution's move constitutes an attempt to bolster a case that they allege lacks substantive evidence. The defense maintains that the late inclusion of new charges and a co-accused undermines procedural fairness and reflects a strategy to elongate proceedings. The court is yet to rule on the prosecution's application, with legal experts predicting that the decision could have significant implications for the trajectory of the case. Dr. Besigye, a seasoned political figure, has consistently denied all charges against him, framing the case as politically motivated. Observers are keenly awaiting the court's determination, which could either permit the amendment or reaffirm the current charges, shaping the next phase of this high-profile legal battle. Let's take a look.
But because of some administrative matters, we could not proceed the challenge in court. So, Chairman, court members, we want to amend the charge sheet and we are amending this charge sheet pursuant to Regulation 66 of the Uganda People's Defense Forces Rules of Procedure. It is premised on the need to ensure that justice is effectively administered by holding all parties accountable. So during the course of the investigations, some facts revealed that there is a certain UPDF officer who is connected to the offense. So we intend to have the charge sheet amended by addition of that officer, and we also intend to to amend the charge sheet by adding there another count of treachery. So those are the two amendments we are seeking to amend. So based on the charge sheet is Article 743, Captain Dennis Ora, and male adult Ugandan soldier of regular forces of Uganda People's Defense Forces, and he is attached to Armored Brigade. So is an RO 74.3
We object to the amendment, especially before the ruling on jurisdiction.
Well, the best way you can support Acholi ITV is to subscribe to the YouTube channel that you're watching. That is the best way you can support. Let's support independent media, and because there are other areas which it is touched more than the mainstream media. Thank you.